Hello everyone, it's Ben from Printerbase, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Cubify CubePro Trio from 3D Systems. Now the Pro Trio is one of 3 printers in the CubePro lineup and is commonly considered the flagship of the range as it has 3 print jets, while the Standard Pro and the Pro Duo have 1 and 2 respectively. Now this 3D printer can print models and prototypes up to about the size of a basketball. The CubePro Trio's print method is known as additive manufacturing, and the jobs are built up in layers. The cartridges contain spools of either ABS or PLA filament. This filament goes through a pipe up to the print head, where it is heated just enough to make it pliable. It's then laid down on the platen. Now before we start printing, we need to add a small amount of adhesive onto the platen in the form of 3D Systems glue stick. This helps the first layer stick to the platen and keeps everything in place for the rest of the print. Now the consumables come in 2 different types and over 24 different colours, and as this is the CubePro Trio, we have 3 heads, so we can print in 3 different colours all at the same time. We can also print with different types of filament. At the moment we have a choice of ABS and PLA plastics, but there will soon be a nylon option available, so we could potentially print an object in 3 different materials, each bringing their own qualities to the table. It's hard to talk about performance with this machine as there are so many variables to consider. Print speed depends on things like model size, complexity, number of heads used, etc. It's all really down to how you design the model. Now what we can mention, however, is some of the features that have set this 3D printer apart from the rest. Probably the main thing you'll notice is its size. Cubify is saying that this printer can produce prints up to 2.5 times larger than other comparable desktop 3D printers. Now that's really impressive. The resolution is great too, giving us the ability to have incredibly thin print layers, in some cases as thin as 70 microns, increasing the amount of detail in our creations. To put that into perspective, 70 microns is 0.07 millimeters. Now that's incredibly thin. Possibly the best feature on this machine is the controllable print environment. Unlike many 3D printers, the CubePro Trio has an enclosed printing area with a door. When we shut this, the machine is pretty much sealed. This gives the printer more control over things like temperature, ultimately resulting in higher quality prints. One of the older 3D printers that we used to struggle when printing ABS plastic, and it had a tendency to bend and curl upwards during the printing process. However, this doesn't seem to be a problem with the CubePro Trio. We really like this 3D printer. It seems to have solved a couple of problems with the older designs, and we feel it's a step in the right direction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 0800 170 7234. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter, and you can also visit our website at www.printerbase.co.uk. I'm Ben, and thanks for watching.